Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so the next one is charging point. Chargepoint. Okay, this one is quite interesting and very interesting. So you can see from the past 5 years, the stock actually getting no interest at all. As you can see from the past, getting no interest at all. And why suddenly so bullish and a lot of people looking into it? It's just because of Biden's infrastructure stimulus. Biden pushing for infrastructure. And as you can see, it actually it hit onto this support and supported quite nicely. There is where the double bottom bring the stock up, okay, which is this one. Okay, so here, okay, this is from the weekly point of view. So let's take a closer look, okay, to confirm the bullish. Okay, so this is Chargepoint daily chart. Okay, so as you can see, it actually make a quite a very, very, very nice U-turn. We traded this and we long this last week. Yeah, last week, and it actually it came in the right time. So see, $20 support. Okay, and a double bottom, Adam and Eve. Okay, so and now it actually has turned into a cup and handle. Okay, see, the beauty of charting is you can play around with the formation, and as long as you catch the correct one, you can get very good reward. See, see, this one is the volume push the share price up, and then now is handle. Cup and handle is the continuation pattern. So if this uptrend continue breakout upon breakout resistance, the stock actually moving towards another leg. Why I say so? Okay, so I want you to remember this because I'm going to remove this already later. So side by side, just remember what I draw just now. So I want you to see this. I want you to see this and you remember this. Okay, so corner. Okay. Sorry. The use darker color. If you look at this channel, okay, if you look at this channel, this one is a bearish price channel. Bearish price channel. Any breakout from a bearish price channel, it turns the stock into a bullish. You see this? Okay, so again, I want to show you this. Sorry. The support is from here. double bottom is a reversal pattern. Double bottom is a reversal pattern. If you see a reversal pattern on a down channel, it tells you what? Reverse a down. When you reverse a down, it turns into an up. And I have proved to you, and it actually bounce and break out the resistance. Okay, channel we have this support and resistance as well. So this is upper trend line is your resistance. Your lower trend line is your support. Okay, so can you see? I can use a channel to prove to you the stock actually has turned. And you can see from a channel and you can see from a formation, which is double bottom come with a cup and handle. Upon breakout 32, see the important number I want you to remember from here is 32. Awaiting big breakout 32. So once 32 breakout, if she's going to start another leg of uptrend. Okay, so she's going to start another leg of uptrend. So the next heading towards 38 first, the immediate resistance after breakout 32 is 38. You can swing trade, okay? You can swing trade or you can buy this one if let's say the support is at here. Can you see this? This is the support for the handle. Holding well so far. Okay?
28.
2858.
Yeah, 2858.
Okay, so okay, I suggest you all take a picture of this chart because I don't think you can remember. Okay, I will type all this in, and usually I will ask.
No, they can go Jimmy's Facebook page to see because this video will always be on Jimmy's Facebook page.
Okay, so this one is the support. This is a very, very nice stock. I like it a lot. By looking at the formation, it's already very convincing. Okay, very convincing. So as I mentioned to you, you can look at this, okay, from the channel. So it's a down and then make a reversal and then break out and heading up. It consolidate and then making a way up, and it will confirm with the cup and handle. Okay, so
yeah, but at today price is going to be 28.58, right? And then
pre-market already 29.
okay,
Yeah.
329. So let's say
Yeah.
in this case, your 32 is a resistance line. So at this point of time, should we wait for the breakout or we basically once we reach the resistance time, we should take profit?
Today is Friday. Okay, usually I will advise Friday don't open any position because we do not know what happened over the weekend. But
Understand.
for Chargepoint, I look at this one as a resilient number one. Number two is stock which I think no one want to miss at this point. Yeah, and also a defensive. Yeah, it's not technical. It's not a tech stock. No, not a growth nor a value. Yeah.
I understand. So let's say for people who wants to play safe, maybe they just want to wait for the closing to be above $32, which is above SMA 50, and then which is also clear the resistance line. That means the resistance will turn support to enter a safer position. Am I right to say that?
Yes.
Okay.
but people all enter already. That's why I keep scolding them.